In this video, you're gonna find out over 10 gift ideas and over 100 products that you can get for the artist in your life. Coming right up. I have curated over 100 products in my kit.co/muraldreams, and all of the products that I'm gonna talk about, you can find them right there. And stay until the end to find absolutely the best gift that you can give to anybody in your life. And you should take advantage of that too. You don't want to miss on that experience. So let's jump right in. The first idea is obvious. It's art supplies. So whether your artist is an acrylic painter, you'll find acrylic paint, mural paint. If they're a muralist, I've chosen some really cool mural paints, some paint markers, fluorescent paint, all sorts of mediums, glow-in-the-dark pigment powder, mica powder, pearlescent medium, pouring paint for your friend who always wanted to try acrylic pouring but just never got all the supplies, so they don't have to worry about color combinations and mixing the paint. It's 4 colors that go well together. If you have a watercolorist in your life, or you can try that cool solar photography kit. That looks fun. There's the oil painters bundle. If you just want to get started with oil painting, even a craft clay bundle. I've always wanted to try calligraphy. There's a calligraphy pen set there. There's a drawing set, colored pencils, metallic markers, micron pens, alcohol brush markers, even a stained glass kit, which looks so much fun, and I look forward to trying that one day. Then there's paintbrushes, okay, and that cool brush cleaner that makes your paintbrushes and conditions them so nicely. Some canvases, and if you don't want to get dirty and you just want to get a little something for that little artist in your life, you can try the Buddha boards. And you just draw with them with water, and then the water evaporates. Not only the artist, but everybody should journal, should draw, should write a little bit every day. So I included that elegant leather journal. It's a gift box and it comes with a pen. The book for the artist to read is The Artist's Way, and I included in my kit The Artist's Way and The Complete Artist's Way, which has 2 additional books from Julia Cameron. If you want to attract anything in your life, you must be acquainted with the law of attraction. And coming from Esther and Jerry Hicks, that's a really cool edition. And there's a few things to draw. 642 things to draw, 365 days of art, an easy way to stay inspired and creative every day. And if you want to learn stone painting, some sketchbook dares, The Secret Lives of Great Artists, what your teacher never taught. That should be fun. I look forward to getting that. I have the feeling like you're gonna find out all sorts of secrets in there. And there's some sacred geometry, the golden ratio, the quadrivium, the life-changing magic of tidying up, art page a day gallery calendar for 2021 to get your daily dose of art. Then there's the mythical creatures drawing game. That looks like so much fun. There's DIY candle making kit and candles, because candles are always good. There's some scented candles. There's some birth month gemstone candles. Poetry candles. Who doesn't love candles? A great idea for anyone in your life really is apparel. All sorts of artsy socks, nice warm wool socks for that human side of your artist, and a whole bunch of fun shirts for you to try, weapons of mass creation. And I just love that alien inking the astronaut tattoo, the artist nutritional facts t-shirt. Whether you're the overall type or the apron type, that's up to you. I put both of them there for you to choose from. Now this is only for a select category of artists out there, okay? Some gemstones, because I love gemstones. So if your artist loves gemstones, I put some nice 7 chakra healing kit on an obsidian. I used one of those to make a mixed media a couple of years ago. Then some gemstone collections for the beginner, or just for a person who loves crystals. You can pair that with the birthstone of the month candles. Then we can jump right into self-care. A bubble bath, so inspirational and relaxing. For those who think that bath time is a ritual, not just a routine, pair that with a Bath Time Essentials wine holder. And that should take us right over to the wine. I've been enjoying a wine subscription to Naked Wines for a while now, and if you're a wine aficionado like me, you'll really love their prices and their convenience. Plus, they're super friendly. You can customize your subscription to match your budget and your needs. If you choose to subscribe, you're gonna get $160 worth of wine for only $60, $100 off your first subscription. I tried that first time and I was hooked since then. The wines are really good quality and I highly recommend them. Now, wine goes hand in hand with chocolate and with tea. You can just add those in there like as stocking stuffers. The artist is underneath it all a human being inheriting a meat body. The yoga swing will help with that. It's wonderful for stretching, meditating, reading, hanging upside down, and other things. If you're like me and you love movies and shows, you gotta check out Dirk Gently's Holistic Detective Agency. It's the coolest show ever. And check out season 2 as well. It's just so inspiring and so entertaining. And then of course the classic, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, must watch. If your artist is a little more advanced or they're just starting out and they want to do everything right, you can get them something to create content, to record their progress. It's always fun to see the process of unfolding. Some products for the content creator like a camera, a tripod, and other accessories you might like. And I saved the best for last, my friend. It's called the Float Therapy, the sensory deprivation chamber. If you're familiar with this, you know how relaxing, you know how freeing and liberating and freed from all sensation of gravity, temperature, touch, sight, and sound. Floating allows you to reach that state of ultra relaxation, which allows the body to reset. Everything you experience while floating comes within yourself. It's the perfect time to reflect on your life, and reports of creative and personal insights abound. But don't take this from me. Check out your local float spa and reserve yourself a flotation today. And if you're local, I left you a link down there. They're having a sale during the holiday season. Well, I hope you enjoyed our 100+ gift ideas for the artist. I hope that you can find something there that you like and that will make them happy. Thank you for watching. Check out the list down below and have a wonderful, wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'll see you on Sunday for the live art show.